Hi, I'm Jennifer from Shabby Fabrics. I have an incredible product I can't wait to share with you. Look at this adorable little quilt here. You know what the best part is? This kit comes pre-cut. You don't have to worry about getting out your rotary mat or your rotary cutter. Everything has been cut for you and all you have to do is sew it together. These are exclusively available by Maywood Studio puts these together, and it's beautiful fabric. I just love the collections. And this one's the Irish Chain. They have all kinds of different ones, rail fence, log cabin, sister's choice, so be sure to check those out as well. Those are available on the Shabby Fabrics homepage under kits. They're pre-cut kits. I love them. I always want to jump into the stage of sewing as quickly as I can. Not only do you get the pre-cut fabrics, but it also includes your pattern. And I love the way that they've put this together. This particular kit makes a 30 by 42 inch quilt, but of course that might not be accommodating for the size you need. And on the back of their patterns tell you that if you want to have, say, a twin size quilt, wouldn't this be cute on a twin size bed? That's 72 by 90. You'll be buying 5 kits. If you want a nice little lap throw for maybe a sunroom or a couch, you'll be buying 2 kits. So you can definitely grow the project. I wanted to show you just how easy the Irish chain goes together. This is the kit taken out of the package. Everything again is cut for you, and what you'll be getting in the kit is the fabrics for the top as well as the binding. For the Irish Chain kits, quilt kits, you'll need to be purchasing the backing separately, and we will always list on our kits how much backing fabric is required. So once you have your kit put out on your sewing table, it goes together so easily. The instructions will guide you through that step, literally from step to step. They even go so far in the instructions as showing you pressing directions. So just like we've done here, we've just laid out our squares and sewn them together, and they're showing us to press away from the center, and that makes sense. You want to press toward the color, and for the center row, you'll press toward the middle, and again for the bottom row, pressing away. Then simply right sides together. You'll pin that. They even talk to you about nesting seams and why that's important. Simply put that together. We can put a pin in there and put a pin in. Sew a 1/4 of an inch seam allowance, and they're recommending you press away from the center and away from the center down here. Then you have your block. You'll sew a plain block next to it, and you'll just continue on using your pattern for your guidance, and you'll, in no time. I mean, these projects go together in just a matter of hours. I just love them. So I can't encourage you enough to purchase a pre-cut kit. They're a lot of fun. And if you have a friend that may be interested in sewing but doesn't want to make the investment to buy the rotary cutter and the rotary mat, this would be a great gift to get a friend sewing quickly, and you can just show them the love of quilting and how much fun this really is. So be sure to pick up your pre-cut kits available at Shabby Fabrics.